The Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption is here today for a very simple reason. When ordinary people are left waiting years, accountability cannot be left waiting. Ang usapin tinatawag na ghost pabahay sa Magalang, Pampanga ay hindi lamang simpleng problema ng isang housing project. It raises a much bigger question about governance. Who was responsible? Who had the authority to act? Who knew about the problem? And when this problem persisted for years, why was there no effective intervention? Ibig sabihin, napaka-tahimik, silent, for the longest time, no? Pre-pandemic pa po ito. So, madalas kapag pinag-uusapan natin ng korupsyon, abuse of authority, failure of governance, or accountability, nakatingin agad tayo sa national government agencies. Katulad ng nangyayari lately, the past years, doon sa national issues sa flood control, sa budget, national budget, and different department heads. Samantalang naiiwan yung mga basic problems sa local government units kung saan ang tinatamaan po dito yung mga nasa laylayan, ano? Yung the poor of the poorest. Kaya dapat, this is a call for Ombudsman Boying Rimulya na mapagbigyan, no, ng atensyon itong mga na pwede nating sabihin mga issues of corruption sa local government units. Yun, yung isa yun ang mahalaga, no? At but let us be clear, corruption and negligence do not exist only at the national level. Accountability must always reach our local government. Yun na yun. Ngayon na mas nararamdaman natin ang devolution of powers and responsibilities to our local government units, mas lalong dapat malinaw ang prinsipyo. The greater the power given to local officials, greater their responsibility to the people. Ngayon, mas nararamdaman na devolution cannot mean delegation of power without accountability.